Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana ethi po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Okay. Check it, shooty short, bro. That's it, shooty short. You're calling yo. Ngathi ngathi right. We in the cut. Ubulele boy. Nya process ato. So kufika ukuyeli lapha.
Sesiqhazi record
supplies.
la uyarecorda la.
Hayi si on. Fuck it. Anti lingi abantu abakhipha imali. Ongana safika la. Sibhadalelana.
Akusendihle yatshintsha mdala.
Le ungena ugele ndoda ethengani. Ivotoka. So mina ngibhizi nje ngikhayeliwa in selection lapha vele ngiyawumana bro. Nje selection yalapha ingani yiswim dad. Mina phela ngisasenkethi.
Uthandani wena?
Iwine.
Ngiphi yakhona phela?
Cabernet Sauvignon.
Oh, Sauvignon.
Sauvignon Blanc. Anything red, white, dry. So anyway, intwana mina ingqondo zisasenkitha 9. Ngibhizi mdala phela selection la yiswi. Yoze sithi yo ngathi
Ngikhuluma lawo, ngikhuluma nomntwana.
hayi phela ithe yo ngithi ungajibulisa ikhanda ngona so the female species.
No,
Yeah.
the creature lena haya.
Amajita
Unkulunkulu
ngichaza.
creative nje.
Amajita ngichaza manje itshintshile ukuze nini.
Vele
I
ngabethe
it,
zara.
it switches up. Yo, what's up, girl? What's up? What's your
No, for
name?
real,
What
bro.
up?
Lathi futhi
Sikhulumele emazinyeni.
Lathi sikhuluma sisodwa ke bese what's up yo.
Hey.
Intanga
Yeah,
uthe
I-
yo ngathi okay. We're cooking.
Mina ngiligwala nje.
Yeah.
Wandlule ushela emgwaqweni. Ngihamba uchere ehamba labana.
Wafunda high school. High school wafunda.
Ngifunda empopho mahayi.
High school wafunda nga.
Ngafunda eMaranatha Adventist.
Right.
Ngafunda.
Mina ngafunda founders.
I knew it.
So yabona
Ikunje.
Montrose kwakuyi target market.
thina nje vele i-playbook yethu vele yokushare nje kan. Nangiyani ucherry you had to approach it. And futhi that time napana abantu babe kongakabi namafoni ayo WhatsApp so you approach it fair.
Dog, you're right.
Nivumelana ukuthi siyahlangana kusasa after school.
Ekhoneni liyana.
Sasihlangane coach wethu. So even for me founder blind yabo. And futhi ungaba remember lana like chain leyo so. Abantwana beMontrose babehlanya amajita founders. That's why members eHamilton zazisilwa lathi. And futhi bathi befaka amankazana angazi ukuthi umuntu aye-enroll amankazana ayesenza njani but baqala ku-enroll amankazana amali. So because they were boys school Montrose was a girls school they felt entitled to those girls but babefuna thina.
Babefuna wena manje.
Yeah, ngangakabi ngumali ngangisangu sithamera lapha ngangikwazi. Akwazi usebenzisa i3 star wena. Those were the
Tina, I remember those days. I was convincing on Facebook, dog. It was tough. It was really tough.
DM isase yellow lapha.
Dog,
My
kuthiwa I only date boys from. Ladies, you send badala, you know yourself.
Wachere be convent.
Your husband is
how
probably
did
from
that
Machai
turn
School.
out?
Yeah.
Because we are here now. All of us.
Same pool. It was like a robot.
Okay,
You know yourselves. Yeah, I only date boys from.
Ade
Baby daddy was probably from Machai's cover.
Sefuna ukuzothandana lathi sibe labantwana nga 33 nga 44.
Wesi Mina
Into le
ngalokhu
ngathi yathi senzakala,
uJones useyilokhu seyisifoto
Jonas.
kathesi. Seyisifoto kathesi. Uzungikhona umfila mina kathesi. Hell no.
Ngananzelela,
Into
ngananzelela.
le ngayitweeta even. Ngala Cherry dog. Imshela. What I need a man, not a boy.
Ah?
Ahlangana naye kuHafe. She had a boy and no man.
Dude, mina ngicabanga ama-days ami ukufunda eMpophoma man ngisahlala eGobalana. Fana ngangigadela boCherry belokuze nemi. Ngangigadela boCherry
Awuhlale eGwava nje. Hey, shut up man, shut up.
ngangigadela boCherry abafunda econvent bro. Mase sifika lapha ku disco lapha uzwe ukuthi lapha iora sikhithika la. But after robot. Usiyehla lapha ngoyehla kuqala abanye baqhubeka
ezifunda kuma private school phela kithi ngalanti kulokhu disebablo kani yiluveve 1 4 or 5
Oh lokyano ngani kulezi ndla ama new stands mntwana.
Asoma new stand
ukuthi kuthiwa abangama new stands kudala vele akade sitwa ngama new
Oh, lokho
stands.
kuthiwa ama new stand.
labana kwenzi lapha labana kwenzi lapha
Thina kwakunzima i-era yabo no mina kathesi the thing is I stay
But
in
yeah.
hillside but kathesi ngiloko
Hey.
gengate. Lingaphika ama gents but we know that was the playbook because it was so
Yeah.
tough. Maybe yikho sinje ma gents.
Mina bro
Ukuthi dog kudala usinxushela. Ngokuthiwa where do you live? Where do you learn?
mina nganyingazihluphi bro. Vele mina ku friend group yami nganyimpama mina imi nganyimpama vele. That's why I think
Ngiyayingela ndaba vele.
that's why into sengani sengikhulile sengimdala sengani senithola ku attention khona ke ngithola ku boCherry. Like like
You didn't know how to take it.
angikwazi vele like fusek because I don't know man.
Yeah,
I
hear
channel
you.
ami bro.
I hear you bro like
Yeah, like yeah.
Kona ubuya.
Leave me alone man.
mina ngile anechokayo anjoka
Hey vaya vanchoka jemna
mangu uTshere nganyala mina ayile imjoyo
nangicaye kakhulu nje.
yiko ngini kule gate kungena jura hona
Akhali.
yabona masazona nawe yemanze ngani impukani zahlala ichelele ayakuvula kudala
Abharile kuzinini. Zazikhipha.
Ngifuna ukubuza uMilo because I think uMilo wena doubt. Ukuthi mina I think ama ex amonke I think siya make up. Xa usaxabana.
Liyanjani?
You're beefing on your own.
Usho mina yimi mbifa lama ex.
Why? You can sit to Milo because it's when I doubt.
mina nyabifa vele
I'm sure you beef on about Cherry.
mina nyabifa
Amelo bife lama ex vele bro.
mina nyabifa
Akula amike.
because what do you mean you felt like I wasn't worth the relationship anymore
I wasn't
Yeah,
Phela
enough for
amajita phela
you.
siyani
crazy.
phela thina oCherry yakwazi
Hi.
more often than not yithi thina phela siyalwa what do you mean awusamfuni
And when amawuzi lokhuza most of the times when amawuza yala wena uCherry. Yabusuboni ukuthi uCherry
Do you
kasakufuni.
know when as uCherry how horrible you have to be?
kuthi
Manje-
membe kuyale
membe kuyale.
Kumbe ukublock.
I can't deal with this anymore
Ungabona
ukublock.
ublockiwe.
Uli demoni.
You are the
Ah,
shittiest
yeah.
thing after the devil dog.
Uli demoni
Awazi
likhulu.
ukublocker.
amajita haya
Amajita wayalo Cherry. Amajita wayalo Cherry.
you
But
really have to be
maybe
terrible
we need to start.
Ukublock.
Eh.
I under energy bro.
necessarily energy, but like-
problem ngokubloka kuyini anti siyakhuluma sinje so sumblokile wena amajita sile problem eyi-1 vele umondli vele beyinja wayengane kasakufile
Yes, yabe sezinqwetha ngemuva.
karoni thini ungapi karikaresi
Ukuthi check ama jeans.
Khonapho ke
Ungabi.
ngo-2 am. Angisendlini ngibhodi yazi.
no.
Ngo-2 vele uyini
Let me come fetch you.
okuyenza.
And yabazi ukuthi it's always your niggas, bro.
yeah it
actually
be your
always
bros
your
it be your
bros.
bros it be your bros
Actually, it's your broers.
hi Milo didn't deserve you
Ngoseni playbook kanti yabusulayo.
Usulayo. No, he wasn't a great listener. Uhluthi ya.
Ngiyakwazi ukuthi ichomi lami beliflopha nga.
No.
hayi no Milo wasn't a great
When I
ngabakala
went to
mali
No. This is the one. It wasn't my place to say, but mina I knew ukuthi.
yeah
deserve
and it hurt me so much
And
to
it hurt me
see
so
to
much
see
to see you
someone
going-
treating you like that and when you deserve the world
Ayafana mache.
Ayafana machimbosi. Ngithi basokushela. Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls.
welcome to another Madness.
Boo, boo, boo,
So
boo,
just to
boo.
give you
when you
clarity
see
on
me here you know what's up it's about to go down
So
We
just
want
to
to get
give
people pissed off.
just to give people clarity on why we're wearing the same clothes for some weird reason, but the pictures were taken at night and you're not seeing the episode that was shot at night. Now we are in the morning and same clothes.
I got to now, hayi.
Bro, it happened.
Hayi kodwa nayo mfethu.
Episode yambile machance.
Yazi bese liphekele intibane.
Episode bro.
Ulozoro.
Episode yani be sharp bro.
Le ayipheki. Unfortunate, kuyatholakala into ezikhona.
Abafana ngidelete ngaba
But a
yistudio.
good thing came out of it. I'm here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yazi ule in-text midnight yabo. Yonke uyabulele dog. Kwathi ngcini ngathi le message ngayivula angisalali.
But you went to visit in the message.
Ngathi ithe boy lapha ngipheka imboza. Ngathi la ngaphenduka ekseni.
And when I was ekhanda you thinking, what do you mean upheka imboza ebusuku so ngona upheka usitshwala?
Inkinga. No dog, bengikwazi ukuthi usemushi.
Yabe wona ngani into zamankazana.
Via ovia. Ithi lapha ngipheka imboza. Ngathi la i-message le ngingayivula angisalali. Kumele ngivuye ngesiphala. Mana ngidli.
Nto wena abantu okuthiwa
dog.
sibadinge wena in trouble.
Hayi
Mina
mina
nje-
ngifonela.
Mina ngiqala ukuyibona bro, it's gone ngathi anti fuck.
Dog le ngithe ngivuka ekseni ngicheka lapha ngabona gcini imoya 8 messages lo mgcini siyawumana but le
8?
8 it's bad ngathi ngivula mfana ngabona umdada
Episode ayikho. Ubiyele skip out isigqokiso.
skip out isigqokiso lapha nje kuyabhida la
lapho kunzima.
delete
Episode
namphika
yami.
bra ku blind
So okwenzakeleyo ukuthi i-episode ngiyidelete. Bengizama ukuthi ngikilo kuze nini. Bengizama ukuthi ngiclaim ispace.
because phone yakazara pono
Foni yakazara mapono bafana vano download mapono. Tigona. Kuti how far?
go now
Kuti how far zviri kudini. Yabo? Ngadelete mina.
upheka ukudlila njani bengisithi imngedwa bro
Ngiyabona seliginqile.
dog
So
this light cooks
ngabe ndokuza ngadelete episode. So kumele ngiyi-edit phela. Ungayibona i-episode now. But you're here now.
but yeah we're gonna rerun it
Machance,
Yeah.
navele ngiyachisela khona. I have a question for you guys.
Welele.
right out the gate my dog
Before sibuza. Savalile kuze nini?
ngiyagqoka ama shades maybe kuyakhanya
Savali i-group ye-WhatsApp. So sile WhatsApp group. Bona yakwazi vele. Oh, le yazi le ngiyithanda i-mentality yakho because iyabuya i-record i-podcast. Ayibukeli. Ayazi lutho. Yabuya ikhuluma. Ichaye phansi. He's one of those people that ngikhuluma ngawo ukuthi abantu abanandaba la.
social media.
Yabuya record achaye phansi. So sile group ye-WhatsApp nje sasivulile for our viewers ukuthi lokhu sibhare bese bexoxa kakhulu egroupini yangikhona benga support
bese
i-podcast.
bekhuluma ngomdavazi egroupini
Angibonanga.
section khulile ngaze mina ngafaka imessage kantlini
So savala.
sit kantlini
Ukuthi bayikhomenta ku YouTube and i-video yethu le edlulile iperform sharp ngama comments. So mina ngithi i-group sesizayivula ngeMonday kuphela singa drop i-episode.
You open then close it.
Close it. Monday maku sithi nje Tuesday 1:12
am
siyavala. Umbuzo wakho
All
busithi.
right. So are you guys aware of the situation in South Africa right now? What's going on?
Yeah, when sithi ayibukeli i-podcast.
Yeah, we are.
Khulumile ngakho last week.
We are.
Oh, the Kurumile
But
now.
sesingalokuza
But
sesinga.
No, all right. The reason why I want to run it up and it's like there's I think I don't know if it's an issue or abantu bangikhona abadala, but there's a whole lot of misinformation that South Africans have generally when it comes to foreigners, and they don't know what their stance is when it comes to foreign policy with their government. You understand? I was seeing kule taindo March nensizwa nobutsizwa. March and March that's Jasita ngobe sezuma. Nensizwa nobutsizwa it's phakela umthakathi nongizwe emchuno.
Hayi nto yayifollow siwe.
So
umthakathi dog
right. So those guys they said ukuthi all right. We're not xenophobic and we're marching we're not xenophobic.
We're not xenophobic.
We're marching and
I
they
thought
said
I was the only one.
They said we're marching. We want foreigners out. We need to fix our country, and then you guys will come back. And mind you, population in South Africa it's like 65 million.
bro is really locked into this
Yeah.
And-
I had no idea
And then
Coming
and
into
then
the States.
and then
big.
Zwana Pen. And then the population of a foreigner is gonna be like 5 million. That's a very minimalistic number. You understand? My chat is in the first place, we allow information and those guys are here to take our jobs. These guys are here to do A, B, C, and D. When did that propaganda actually start? Because it's something that's serious. When Kates, if I'm to ask you anything about a South African, you don't give two fucks about it. And you just don't care. But it's like there's an engine that is enforced. Because those guys, when they started that march, bruh, you can see what they now even have funding. Because they've got cameramen, security guard, that's paid for with money.
Cameraman kuchipile, that is low babula.
Baboski.
I think
it's like there's an engine that is really trying to. I'm not sure if I'm landing correctly.
The last time we had this chat, I said there seems to be a conceited effort to.
Hey, that was good English, bro.
I try.
There was what?
I try. There's a conceited effort to try and discredit the government of South Africa. They try to do it with the white xenophobia, kill the poor, didn't work. This one is obviously now cooking. It's the one that's working now.
And this is somdom nyama ini, bro.
So we said this in the last Shandi. So it's just unfortunate that we don't know because there's funding. There's obviously funding. For free, bro.
Come on.
But just to go devil's advocate, that is baninga cool, man. Hey.
I hear you. But the reason why South Africa functions like that is because
I'll tell you one thing. I'm a South African in Zimbabwe, maneng, but no one is talking about it because we're not concerned about it.
Baneng, la?
Baneng.
Do you know
if you're in business, you'll see. If you get into business, you'll see with baneng.
I saw a
I'm
video.
not in business, most.
I had him for it.
I saw a video. Egati City, Yonana. The people in South Africa. Okay, so Amantu, when you're doing well, you're not concerned about. You don't see the foreigner. If you're doing well,
Yeah.
Because you're okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Trevor
clearly,
Noah.
yes, that's the point.
Yeah.
So what Trevor was basically saying was, it's only because the systems are failing that now the average person is now saying, "Guti, no, but if anything, why is the foreigner being attended to?" Shout out Big Price
What up, my shit?
in the cut.
Yeah.
What is Jaja?
Shut up, my nigga Monji.
On Brycey. So he was saying, Guti, Nana, it's only because the systems are failing. And I kid you not, the systems are not failing because of foreigners. The systems are failing because of corruption. It's really that simple. You can't have someone buying a mansion for like 120 million and is in the tender business and you are claiming you audit this person. Asiali, South Africa has an immigration problem. Actually, crisis. Right? Very blind. But if really your problem is foreigners, then why are you attacking the black foreigner? Why aren't you guys going to Cape Town and actually going to the Brews that are living in mansions to say, Wakwan, you are living in this mansion, where are your papers? Because if foreigner is someone who comes from foreign land, so you can be coming from Germany, being white, and be a foreigner still.
Yeah.
And be illegal.
I had a chat with one guy from Joburg sometime last week. So that was the conversation with how do you guys feel about the current situation, blah, blah, blah. So one thing he mentioned to me was the one big problem with South Africans is sebe comfortable kakhulu ngendaba yama-grant. He gave me an example ukuthi if a girl gives birth this year, that's 700 rand. Engabala by 3, that's 7 by 3, that's 2.1. What else does she need?
You don't even need a salary.
So do you think their government is invested in keeping their people lazy and stupid?
I wouldn't say keeping them lazy.
Because understand this, and how much do you think they can? If their population is 65 million, do the math, and roughly 65 million, and let's say half of that is getting those grants. How many of their problems do you think they can solve if that money is diverted into problem solving? For example, solving the problem at their immigration office. If that money alone for the first year is diverted towards that.
Personally, I wouldn't blame the government per se. I feel like Tina, as black people, we have always found a way around every good act that comes towards us.
In any country, you must blame your governance because that's where the buck stops.
But
The buck stops. It's
But now,
literally what the word governance
Mina,
is.
do you know what I
govern
think?
over.
Do you know what I think, Mina, about SA, if I'm going to be honest? You know, when you look at countries like SA, you get, of course, it's the short end of the stick, but you get to appreciate governments like ours. Ask me why.
you appreciate this government.
You go let me land.
Government.
Let me land. And
Uyabona isimi nge-20 let me land.
Malendana mfana.
uyabona uJoshua Maponga once said this. You know, Africa, it doesn't need democracy. We need dictators.
Propaganda dezani.
No, but it's okay. And I took that point out, and I find it very feasible right now, given the current situation in SA. Africa needs dictators. People that are going to stand on business and say, hey, we're moving in this direction, and this is what we're going to do. They're one of the dumbest people that you can ever meet in your life. Tambando, what's that girl's name?
Jacinta.
Uzandi de Tabula. She was the former president of Operation Tutula. That girl, they asked her, on live television, national, what are the frontline states? She didn't know. I doubt what in Zimbabwe, in our country, Tina, you can be in a position of power like that and be as dumb as that girl.
No, abona bro.
It doesn't. It doesn't give you room, Mangutanda, Jay.
No, abona i-system yethu.
Serious,
No,
Mangutanda,
and
it
that's where
doesn't
you
give
get
you.
it wrong. Mcing.
Am I making noise?
Let me tell you. Let me tell you, bro. The reason why they beat you every time is because you assume they're dumb. That's the mistake you keep making year after year after year.
Put
There's
us.
a difference between someone who's dumb and someone who's ex-dumb.
That's my chat.
Exactly.
These guys can give you the impression that abacabai.
Uthi kulama thinkers behind the scenes that are cooking the pot. Lokho angiyali lokho. But let's also admit ukuthi ezinye izinto esizibonayo like V1 abenzi ngaboma. Umuntu uvela ucabanga njalo, and that's the reason why ilizwe lisenkingeni esikiyo karesi bro. Ntshothi abantu laba bro, ntshothi wena angisoyemba aqambe ngamabizo vele. But kulezinye izinto yabo zizwe umuntu ezikhuluma so uthi into le ikhulunywa ngumuntu esithi sibili nguye sibili.
Where now you
And-
buy into that and you assume.
And this is Zimbabwe, bro.
Yiko mina yabona abantu abaningi they've become so complacent with
Where they
saying
are.
there's something wrong and you're going to be fine with that because you're just going to assume no the government no the government no the government.
You know,
I'm
someone-
telling you, Kates, Zimbabwe is one of the most gun-free countries that you can ever come across in the world.
Yeah.
Do you get it?
I
It's
really
because
don't.
it's because they don't afford you those
I don't
rights.
need to lie, bro.
Akunye, is it that or is because ukuthi were landlocked? Because you know, smuggling and shipping is hard in a landlocked country. And khangela ama-ports ase-South Africa.
DRC, is it not landlocked?
Kwenzakalani ukuthi
Alaphana
DRC?
kusempini phela.
Hi, is it not landlocked though? Because if it's landlocked, then your point also doesn't apply because those guys have been at war for decades.
I call landlocked.
It's landlocked.
No.
I'm
I think i-tip liyana ile access to report.
Just the tip.
Yeah, just the tip.
To me.
Yabona i-contribution yami ku-society wini ukuthi into mangayazi ngiyalilalela likhulume so. You were saying?
Mina, all I was saying is, I'll say South Africa is a practical example of our version of America, where it's the land of the free, the home of the brave, South Africa, Rainbow Nation, whatsoever. And it's a clear example of what too much democracy leads to when you don't have firm leadership. Because what the fuck do you mean I'm going to pass by in the street and you're going to ask me for my ID and identification? what position in government do you hold?
Nakhona methodist,
Police,
bro.
who are you?
Ngihamba karezi
Try
mangihamba
citizens arrest.
Citizens arrest. Ha njani che?
ngiyabe ngihamba as a tourist bro mfuna ukuyakholisa mina eGoli le
Do you understand?
but
And
sengimisela ukuthi
you get the sense that most of those people that are pushing that agenda are people that have never really traveled like that. If a South African has been to Zimbabwe, they will understand ukuthi the backbone of their economy is trade with other countries. Because African countries, particularly in the SADC region. Why? Because most of their goods, a lot of their goods, ungahamba be it in uvuli ikende fish, Lucky Star, made in South Africa. Cool beans, made in South Africa. Whatsoever, made in South Africa.
I'm sure lamandanda algqoka
Into le emergency sayikhuluma.
Like even imported goods from other countries, most of them are figure in South Africa.
Yes.
And there's also revenue to them.
That's why I was
now
saying-
imagine if people start switching to Namibia and Mozambique.
Guys,
which is a red flag futhi on our end ukuthi
i-bread basket ye-Africa is celebrated.
umntomani lo
Utheni?
So what did basket?
No, but is it not true?
u-Ostelos wayenza i-example azawile lapho athi nxa unganginika like i-example of izinto ezikhona la izinto ezi-produced la zingayi sikhulumela ngitsho le mic yona
That's how you
lesisebenzisana nale
You're right.
yabo in as much as sharp
Hayi ngcenye iglue kuphela.
No, let's not
industry
pivot too much.
trust
And Mina, my chat was, it's almost as though this information is not accessible to South Africans. Because if you're a normal person, you know this and you know what you need to live with other people. So it's like,
But
it's
kule
like
into ebengifuna ukuyikhuluma laphana oyilokhu le eyama grant ilana lan. Yabo, as much as we say ukuthi sebe entitled kakhulu, still they are supposed to receive those items because according to umthetho you are supposed to earn something by just being a citizen of a country because the country ilamanye ama minerals. I-mineral ingaphuma leyana, there's a certain percentage okumele ibuye kuwe nje. Just
Yabo.
because you are alive and you live in this country.
and
when awukakujayeli khonokho, that's why you don't understand.
exactly into ade ngikhuluma ukuthi thina i-system yamanye ama-countries lawana is so broken ukuthi we feel like bayatotoza yabo ukanti it's what's
That's the way
supposed to
it's supposed to
happen
be.
and the fact that now it's not happening into ade ikhulunywa ngomondla ukuthi zawunika i-example endlini bro yabona makade usebenza endlini uyi-provider like into eziningi bezingakhanyi but uma ungasasebenzi utshona uphefumulela phezulu lapha yabo sesidinga
Isinkwa sisahlali.
isinkwa sisahlali sesidinga and isinkwa sesingasahlali khona because bekhangela
Alright.
khona ama
let me do this. Let me run it back, and I'll use a very practical example. And sihlezi thina anti 1, 2, 3.
senze siyekhuluma ngama-hose futhi into ze-politics lezayo
Alright, sihlezi si 3 and 1, 2, 3. And actually lina lihlezi li 2. Mina ngibuye endlini yakho wena anti ngifike ngihlale mina khona endlini yakho and ubuye uPrice efike yena ehlale endlini kaMondli. And then at some point in time you guys ask yourself ngathi chomla mona udinga nda uPrice uthi no mina sengihlala lapha khululeka sengihlala lapha and but njani uMondli uhlala kwenye indlu so mina ndidweba iline and wena lapha kungiyini wena usungwala right uPrice usemuve in koMondli and uMondli ethi Price futhek suka la bexabane Mondli ethi baba ubuyela ngini wena your option to that and uthi hayi mile alright asifind indlela yokuhlalisana mind you I came and I started staying in your home asibone indlela yokuhlalisana and hayi sesihlalisana kunje so I must take grocery senza so and then one day Mondli visits your house mina la sesivumelana ukuthi hayi uMondli futhi ngaye akahambe. Do you get where this example is going? There is no white person that is an indigenous person of Africa.
But bakhona.
There is no white person that is an indigenous person of Africa.
Keyword indigenous Mondli.
Do you understand? That resentment, that is that resentment and that is being directed. That resentment that is being directed towards foreign nationals who are black, should be directed at people that came and settled in your land from another place. It doesn't matter ukuthi hey umuntu lo wabuya ngo19 lo oselapha khathesi wazalelwa lapha. There is no white person that is indigenous in Africa.
But guys, Lena, I don't know ukuthi liyabukela yini ama episodes amanye sayenza. Remember the episode elayenza lo lokhuzeni lo notha eSA.
Abana vele ngangizwa lutho.
Ujahe said yes.
No, actually, no. Actually, it's the episode ayenza la. Lana yaba lezimoke eziningi.
Njengasona lesi sisihlanganise lapha isimo.
So, wathi yabona abanye abantu baba frustrated ngani. Dala isystem ye South Africa isebenza ukuthi umntwana yaqeda imatrican before esiya eva uyahamba esebenza indaweni ezinjengabo Wimpy, abo Spa, lan, and those were always known as temporary jobs. And imisebenzi yani yama students yabo olova abasanda kuphuma esikolo besamelele ukuye uni. Then the problem started when foreigners came in and made those permanent jobs.
It's quite unfortunate that people are crying for.
So now I'm like ama-jobs wona lawana sekunzima ukuthi bawathole. Yabona. Before
they also want to make them permanent.
Yabo. No. Like isystem yabo was vele okay kunjengathi la dala wasithi wena nxa abadala nxa bekhuluma ukuthi asesithi nxa siqeda uform 4 nxa ungafuni ku upper 6 before siya ku upper 6 usamelele ama results wahamba esebenza ko Monarch uhamba esebenza ko Khango ama results nxa ephuma uchiya isipani lapha ubuyele lokhuzeni yabo suvele awukwanisa ukuzithengela uniform uzibhadalela ifirst term uyenzeni yabo abanye babekwazi ukuseva kuhle wakwanisa ukuthi uzithele kuyi second hand car uzihambele kuyi second hand car esikolo.
The reason why I brought this up,
mina bese mbuya ngithathe that very job and wena obusithi uzayisebenza after school unthole sengine 19 years ngiyenza ijob ena.
The reason why I brought this up Mgcine is because a lot of people seem to be quiet about it. No one wants to have an explicit stance on it and say hi guys because
no sikhulume ngakho last week obubukela podcast. But you are right ukuthi siqhubeke futhi.
No, I need to go to Lena in particular. I'm just saying
you're saying the
lot
powers
of people that have
right.
There's a guy that was asked in parliament what's government's position on helping out those foreigners abakhona ngale. Remember Barano Wasukuma straight up said Jake, the government they are handling it, and as far as we know there haven't been any deaths reported, so there's no threat to life.
It's very unfortunate that it's very unfortunate that foreigners, not really foreigners, sorry, South Africans. Don't you think it's funny that they are fighting for jobs, not to own the industries, not
exactly
to own the spaces,
to own the economy because they don't have a black economy,
guys. Uniki example ye family ubuye endlini usuhlala la. Ngicela nis understand this.
It's very layered.
Into leyan bonke abantu ba right to some extent ukuthi ba feel ngendlela abafila ngayo because
they're entitled to their space la.
Cabanga wena bro uhlala labazali bakho wena. Let's say abazali bakho igovernment. Kubuye umondli.
Ngitshayisinkwa le cheese.
Umondli just because yena lapha vela khona uvela elokuzenini uvela entembeni. Yakwazi ukuthi ukuze athola imila bokumela sebenze nzima yabo. Umondli bro kadinga ukuthi atshele ukuthi laphana
hamba
ucinta hamba ugesa imganu yabo
umondli ufika cinta gesa imganu
umondli ufika cinta
enxa icenta egesa imganu umondli uyachaya isinkwe esili cheese
umondli
wena ufika ukuthi Jake cheese umondli usechaya cheese but nanti idubi
umondli singamnika 2 rand for lunch right but all this time wena ngini umasala kube kunika 100 rand per day yabo so indlela abafila ngayo bro trust me justified but anger yabo karesi I feel like by director like to the like they are failing to address like the real problem khonokho lakho to some extent is part of the problem the fact that abantu babuya like immigration lokuzenini like chaos is there. Let's acknowledge ukuthi khona but at the same time in them trying to address whatever that's happening bafuna ukufocusa on ulokuzenini umondli uphiwayo more than umuntu omuyo o-instigator yabo umuntu onguye ochaya amadiri yabo nguye abafailayo ukuthi balokhu se attack
Bam-address.
yabo.
So you're not really
But
addressing the
yazo
problem.
kunye kunjani Jake, the jobs that are threatened, ama jobs abafunayo, is not the jobs that are occupied by the majority of our foreigners. Majority of our foreigners are hustlers. And because Julius Malema also akhuluma, okay, you chucked away 300 foreigners la. Where are the 300 jobs that have been created? Most of these people, they are selling things that you don't want to sell. Kuya kulo muntu othengisa amatamatisi
They're
lapha,
doing the jobs
labantu
you don't want to do.
Yes. So bona belibaxotshayo yibo abantu abanenzela izinto zibe lula. Uyabuye uzokuthengisela amatamatisi nge2 ubusumxotsha suka kusela umuntu lomsika la awula umuntu ozabuye occupy subuyele eTops ngala. eTops ngala itamatisi eli1
But
babe kuchaya
the last
7
time we had
rand.
this chat, guys, ngathi mina, the people that are instigating this thing are so short-sighted. Kwahlala, I think about 4 or 5 days. Leia sent the video where taxi drivers.
Yes,
were
I was about to
arguing
land
with-
on that one. Yes.
Get me? To say you don't understand the economy of this thing. The majority of people that you are chasing away is why the taxi industry is thriving. Do you get me?
Yeah.
The people that are pushing for this thing are very short-sighted. And ngibone ngani engaxotsha umuntu engaxotsha umuntu oyi-1 immediately. Do you get me? I saw this other post kuthiwa it was some hospital and they're saying this hospital is empty. Akula muntu, there are no foreigners. Then I said to them, to myself, look, this thing is empty, good, sharp. But Ngali too, do you think this hospital will continue to get funding? Because there's no demand. Akula muntu. Why 3? Abantu afika khonapho. Abantu abasebenza khonapho bayaholana. Because it's not like those guys
And now
get service for free.
is it backfire give because did you see
Yes.
ukuthi it almost got violent between taxi drivers and that guy?
Yes.
It almost got violent.
Nje.
And
Kulo
into
mntwana
yakhona
kwaziwe.
sihamba up to his social life abasamfuni kwamanye ama night sports
Kulo mntwana
kulenye night sport
obulewe.
akade kulo lokhuzeni akade kulo Somizi efuna ukungena
VIP.
amabhamba bathi wena ungeni la
Sneaks, that was a different
Yeah,
chat.
that was a different
that
chat.
one-
kanti bebekhuluma
chat
ngani
was-
mina
Wow,
I
bro.
him in the
The
wrong
bro
way.
is very homophobic.
He's very homophobic. He had
But
said something
yeah.
about
He had said
Yeah,
something
you know.
about Usomizi. Then he was like, when they met in person, he was like, "We are professionals." So he was trying to act like whatever it is that's said.
just fine.
Yeah.
It's just
It's
Well,
just fine.
sikhulume kabi ngawe ku podcast price.
Sithi kubona
Mase
sithi,
sihlangana,
that was just
Chomlami, price. No, that was just
Because it's unlike me. Mina ngakuthetisa on this platform. Futsek is Futsek. When I meet you in person, it's
Siyaphinda futhi.
Siyaphinda futhi, Futsek. I understand. So I get where Usomizi was coming from. But on a general note, all I was saying is, misinformation as a goalie has to have an engine.
yeah.
There's an engine that's
why.
driving the misinformation that's there, bro. Because it's not normal. You can't have a population of about 60 million people, and
No,
the
but
bulk
again-
of them have one mindset and they push towards one goal.
That's what I was
and
saying,
there's
you know, it's-
a minimal number of people that are gonna stand up against it and say, "I know this ain't it. This ain't it. I need to see something."
asivale nini le politics ngiyakwazi ukuthi abantu bafuna ukulalela sibili like lizakhuluma
njani?
futhi lapha
Sesiya
ngibhala.
kwe Twitter.
No. But like bemfuna ukuthi mina in closing la ndizayivala obvious angisho ukuthi lekele ukukhuluma ngayo but sizamthi asikhulumeni ngamagaka or something. This is the show of shit. Mina in closing bro, I'm really speaking on behalf of i-percentage yabantu labana abangekho ku social media. Ngenye into mele sinanzelele bro. Ukhona umuntu ofunayo price umsebenzi nalo i-foreign esele 19 years lisebenza and by right by i-birth right ukuthi uzalelwe khona pani intombane kule shop like kade create ama job opportunities
You're
for
entitled to that space.
ogogo ngama rights akho bro yabo and i-percentage yona leyo unfortunately labanye abakho ku social media and i-representation yabo ebuya in the package of ongizwe mbani lo moya like yabona into yangikhona vele isisiba imess but the real problem into le lokuzeninde yama foreigners bro is really deeper than
Yeah.
lokhu
That's
esikhuluma
yikho
ngakho.
akutsho you
Yeah.
Milo, bro.
It's
That's what Milo
really
is
deeper
driving
than
towards.
that. But anyways, mina ngichiya lapho kwe.
In closing of this
When
chat.
we value sithini manje?
Yeah, ngivalo ngoba isavulekile.
UsayiGreece.
It's very unfortunate. into eyenzakalayo.
Yeah.
It's
Can't be fighting, man. Just because into umdula sobonda.
I just think there needs to be an investment in educating people about the foreign policy and how economics work.
No.
Because a lot of people don't seem to understand how economies function.
But bro, that doesn't address even like 2% of the problem.
No, it doesn't
Yo.
address 2% of the problem. But if you understand economics and you understand
why you need this.
You understand why
person
you
from
need
Zambia
this
here.
person from Zambia here.
But really understand ukuthi
Ipoint yakho
ngiyalizwa lami
Vele lapha
siphikisana.
You
Next
can't
topic.
Because yakwazi uma ilo into ayikhulumayo inga. Mina ngikhangela from ilihlo leZimbabwe. Like growing up sasikwazi ukuthi kulama Nigeria aseZimbabwe, kulama Zambia, kulabantu beMalawi. And we always knew ukuthi kwabantu beMalawi nxa sibadinga silandani. Yabo, abanye babesenza iwin amabhavu. Abantu beZambia sasikwazi nxa sibadinga they wake out inhlanzi.
Exactly.
Abantu beNigeria sasikwazi echomla bana balamangwanda. Balamangwanda.
Guys,
Amangwanda.
Gadgets.
Nigerian.
We're talking about a Nigerian.
I-ratio yabalapha abaloyayo labangalo ayinlushwane kakhulu asake sikubone kangako.
Yabo athi kuloya lamakhiwa. Yazi
Hayi ngitsho kuma Nigerian wodwa. Uyabo sasikwazi and thina saku apply ku system yethu esasihlala kiyo. Right. The chart here is and thina ama jobs ababewayenza sasingawafuni but bona bewakwanisa siwanite sasikwanisa ukuphilisana la. Right. And unanzelela ukuthi thina the jobs esasiwagijimisa bona babengekho there. Same thing la selokhuzini. Into eyayikhulunywa nguMalema about the foreigners nga ASA. Thina we found a way to coexist labo. Singakunanzelela ukuthi we are finding a way kwabanjalo kwabamnandi.
And it's not supposed to be something that's up for debate because this is a black man that's here to hustle. You understand? And now you are fighting over a border historically that was put by that guy that visited your place and permanently started staying there.
By the foreigner.
Conversation there.
You go engutsho ukuthi
Sabatha le Roma ukuthi yipi cheche right. I pay.
Roma obvious. Zwan.
Isabatha. Siyachonela guys.
Zwana. To close and I was saying why isn't that resentment directed towards the white man? Because I'm not being racist or anything but it's like that's not racism, bro. It's accountability.
No. I think lapha semvuleni can of worms.
This person came here and they took your land and all right, let me not say they took your land. They occupied a space. And in justification to that, they're saying there was no one there. And we came, we saw, we started mining, we started taking this. And then, do you know there's never been any form of reparations for colonialism? Things. There's never been any form.
Yeah, put us
podcast.
Do you understand?
I feel like vele sesi namhla nguyibreezy lo. Breezy said the same thing last week.
But we've had this chat. That's what was saying.
Watch the podcast.
There's never been any for slavery.
But anyways, the podcast, yeah.
So when people are saying when people
make her up.
So now it gets really confusing when they say, all right, guys, we're so sorry, this happened. We came here. We are here now. So let's just move on. And then when as an African, you're gonna say, all right, but what about that? Years and years of looting minerals, diverting it back to Europe or America or whatever it is. We're saying that's happened. Let's close that chapter. Let's live harmoniously together.
Shout out K Breezy, bro.
Sharp.
Shout out K Breezy. You're just
K Milo.
Yeah,
K Milo. You are literally.
Okay, K is for Kabelo, so this is M Breezy.
We're gonna go back to that.
He's worked up.
Ekokeshi postile la.
So
in the words of K Breezy, what poste BBC.
Utay big black Chotayini.
Big black jumps.
Tayini chonga wonga.
Lokho songani title yepon yani ayithengiswa ama disc. Big booty girls.
Telling why I'm telling.
Yabi 4K mfana.
Big Nigerian coke.
Lena ithengwa ngelokhu zenini yana ama disc quality lena
Take for
4K.
imbanje
But
afa.
But imagine, I don't know. Obama imagine beating your meat in front of the TV, bro.
TV, ama magazine.
Ndod.
Uyithole ngasavuleki.
Ongama magazine.
Amagethe ahambe mdala idisc liphanga.
Amapages enamathelene.
Amagethe ahambe mdala idisc liphanga. At some point in time, so
VCR,
i-tape.
at some point in time sesake savula ama-DVD manje.
Mina
Ungiqamula.
ngayithandi ngalolo hlobo.
Mina abantu bengabuyela angisakwazi yiphi episode esakhuluma ngakho.
Uyavela nje.
La majita dodo ukuthi dodo yabe play ngani play music ndoda. Yabe ishaya ku background. Ingabo kanye.
Ufraya amaqanda.
But anyways,
Before singena kwe-Econet le yani. Kule chomi yami yona umasala wayele disc la yabona ama disc la na white plain white.
Masalwayo.
Wayele disc le plain white. Ligcwele oshwi.
Oh.
Oshwi vele ingoma zakhe azithandayo. La wayabhena idisc elifananayo.
Maye.
Wafaka ikwini.
popcorn. Lapha uyiqale.
Yabona hey.
Usuke wangathi yawa.
Ngoba hey.
Ngiyakwazi thina nathanda amanyala. Yiko ngilidonsile sharp ukuthi lipheya nje.
Uthi mama wenzeni?
Ulepara iseso.
Mama wenzeni?
Umjida vele lapha idisc lakhe manje labheneka kubi. Labheneka kubi ngisatshe ukuthi la iqalisa ku 20 minutes. Yabo.
Hayi very poppers yakudala phela kufana nabo brothers abakade sithi baqala beact benza
ngani. Hayi ikhona. Hayi
sasikuthi kube ivele play video
Milo wezwa mana sikutshele wena usubona ama clips thina sasilama movie. So yakhe lalile era la iqalisa u20 minutes so nxa ufuna uqalisa umele ukuthi ungaliplay uli rewind. Yabo umasalo kwabe kubuya abantu athi hamange mfakeleni omzali ushwila umasalo ngibona hey uthi wayesexoxa next door yazi ithi into engiyenzwe nguphilani
maye baba
enguphitho
sebehleza abadala bana ngithi mana mfakele abantu ushwi ngibona abantu bayasebenzana
traumatize abadala lena manje thomi lami lawo laziyo lalile lokwenzenini
so iCocash bayenze the same thing lapha
ifault
ibifuna ufaka idisc likashwi
semfunga izindawo lechomi lami
no asibhekile
ichomi lethu lenzeni
wayile ifault ebhale umsetho
ku laptop
iparayise walithula la ifault lelo umsetho ngoba la security sibile eMaranatha but anyways just to give people context
of indaba eMaranatha zamboa sisesikole sasizenze ngani kumbe sifunda lo Jesu
no for real but maybe because sasensimini yenkosi
Bukani ukuthi
sasensimini yenkosi
bukani ukuthi viewer yesizigebenga ngazi ma ungadlula ugqoka uniform ye founders kaya ngani kumbe le ivele ivela ndoda ivele
more if founders Jackie yayingela PR bro but anyway azuthina se primary sasigwajiswa ukuthi ungafeli ugrade 7 uyahamba uyofunda founders
hayi guys uyakwazi
yazi sonke sispeechlessile la
live
uyakwazi ukuthi do you know what I noticed and the biggest misconception about iFounders ukuthi kugcwele amacala I noticed mina sengikhona phakathi khona phana ukuthi
it's not that deep
it's 70% of the school Jay ngabantu abahlala kubo hillside
no but it's one of two things my lord
so mana phela
it's either kwakungelo macala owangena wa blender wabona ku normal
no but these are human beings like
no mina yabona mina ngakhulela eBellevue anti so eBellevue is like in the middle because ngangapha kwesiporo inketha and then thina ngapha sisemayadini
ucaca ukuthi usemayadini
so when you look at me at face value uyabungakwazi
usemayadini egasi
umacala yabo
yo
so
on
a lot of abantu abase founders esikolo zona lesiyana hey laba se market esikolo sam shout out founders a lot of them
Thunyiwe.
ngabantu ababehlala eHillcrest, Montrose, whatsoever, you won't see them. The ones that people saw ngabahamba besiyagada umchova sebesiya lokishini. Yabona manje le anicaliber leyana labana vele ngosiponkoro labo
Mfana
sibhekana.
wakuchaya usikhova mfana usikhova
Nabana abakuthi uyamtshaya ngempama wena umthiye phila. Kusasa. Hayi.
wakuchaya be-15
Kusasa ngabe kubuya ikhombi. So
siyadigressa kakhulu.
people took that and
Ngoba
let
li-brand
that
lelo
represent the
kuzeni.
entire school. Academically, very basic blind. We're doing so well.
Cela nunika abantu i-context.
oh eco
So,
cash down
Kulomjida ne.
Inspired to change your world.
Othi i-Ecocash idle i$35 yakhe.
mana sekubale che
Wazama sanarrate la usadinga la. Esefuna imali yakhe back. Andiyawazi into leziyana ngama automated responses. Sometimes kuze ukucaphula. Umjida ngani le ulolwazi kwezenjani kwezokuyeka yabo. Wabecha hack i-dozen i-Twitter account ye-Ecocash. Or post i-adult content.
mpono
Wafaka idiski likashwi mntana.
Wafaka idisk likashwini.
ngakwanisa ukuba lishona abantu
Lapinda mu Ecocash account kuti muone ukuthi how insecure their systems are. Ndakapirwa mari yangu $35 vakuramba kudzosa anamhata.
Qedwe wasakazani? Wasakaza ingwanda lama.
Ifault yalo msethu.
Ngazanoza kuzanga kumbe.
So man ngikobuza ba delete after
mina ngithe ngichecka bese bedelete bro umember lo uthe le be calm le te ndaphinda mu Ecocash account ukuthi muone how insecure the systems are ndakabirwa mari yangu $35 wakuramba kudzosa man anamhata
Yazi lapha istatement lesabe sothu utaqalise ngani. Ngokuthi right.
omunye dog omunye warespond wathi has someone hacked the Ecocash official account a reply that mata you
Imagine i-account ele gold tag.
Bariko bona kwenda ichomle libe licaphukile bro.
Yeah, bro.
Alizange lafuna ukutshontsha.
yeah because bathe bacheckile if the funds are missing what I know everything is okay this guy just logged into the Twitter
Jide befuna i-tweet.
What right machinja password ka 5.
mara bayikavisa ma followers asini kanjiendi
Amdivisi.
Lucky Nudge.
At face value, this is fine, but it highlights a bigger problem than people actually notice.
yes cyber security
Yeah. Not a cyber security as such, but the things that we let our corporates get away with.
Yeah.
but it's cyber security
No,
No.
it's not to do with cyber security. I'm telling you,
where is
Kates,
Mali
it's Mali. The things that they get away with, it's ridiculous.
and he's not the first
And
it's just that he's the first who could
ridiculous.
hack
yawazi
into
ukuthi
Twitter
like bangaka abantu othi i-situation enje ingayenzakala.
Yabona,
Acabanga i-queue yelokuzenini
Yeah,
yandawo ngale ngafika
Service
layini.
deliveries,
Bazathi
nonsense.
achiyane la imali ihambe.
And when you are estimating, how many people do you think use the Ecocash platform as an estimate?
I think 70% of the
Millions.
no
bro.
you're looking at
population.
80 90
Nanti.
Millions, bro.
So sonke singatshontshela $1, that's how much?
kule chome ezazi apparently zazithatha 10 cents from every transaction
Ngoku i-Ecocash
That
bro
was in-
wawuyi-syndicating
It
yelokuzenini.
was somewhere overseas.
Eh.
something like that.
No, lase Zimbabwe kulento eyake yenzakala
Ecocash kulento
enje.
enje yake yenzakala
They were taking
Ngizabona ukuthi
cents.
allegedly but they were just taking like
yeah,
small
allegedly.
cents from every transaction so ngizabona ngama charges 10 cents
Yasikhutha njani i-pyramid scheme le?
Bro,
Right?
fun.
Understand what I'm saying. So let's say it's 80%, and when 80% of the Zimbabwean population roughly is only 15 million, because it was 17 million now.
chomle yabulala ama states
Aletha ukukhuluma iqiniso.
Aye,
Mana se fact check.
fact check, bro.
asiyenzi thina
Fact
lokhu
check.
la.
Yabibulala ikhuluma
leje
confident.
usithi uyabona
17 million,
kunje nje kuyimanje uma ungasibala si10
Zwana, and the price ute all right. I-population yethu ingaki?
No.
Zimbabwean population.
That's not important.
sesivukile
Waqhubekile ukuzama.
Ku-right okuswayo.
So
17.27 million.
ulokha isikhathi bani uku-check
Like
ama-population
yabunje sothi so
ama-stats ukuthi sibangaki la
vele
ekhaya.
si 17 million.
Jake, mina
Milo,
I
this is the
honest-
time for you to ask company yani census le.
You're
Sponsor
not dumb,
this.
you know that. You're
I'm-
intelligent.
Yeah, I know.
Si proud wafunde
But
fa.
why manje ukwazi
Wena
abantu?
nguwe.
No, listen. Back to the serious issue.
Na
So
team
let's
rebo
say-
census ka. Dine mbano wenyu uyayimtori.
Eh, nomfana no
So,
Mbana
I
uyanokuphutisa
know
nema
at
numbers.
some point in time, sonke lapha esebenzisa ikhokeshi sesake saba le dollar unaccounted for.
You're right. Sathi ngama charges.
Sathi ngama charges i-airtime oyijuse yangasebenzi. I-data oyijuse yangangena. You understand? So let's just say $2. 15 million times. So kule $30 million already nje esemoyeni esingakwaziyo ukuthi kade kuhamba njani.
Uchomlano wathi mata ndakupinda mthitha.
So
Do you know mina I think uChomlana waqashula kwini? Do you know ukuthi nxa uzibona ukuthi I'm at a position yokuthi I can do serious fraud, serious damages knowledge engilayo and get money, but I'm trying to make an honest living. And these morphos,
No, Manchester got
35
I'll tell you this. eZimbabwe
Yes, you know it's frustrating ukuthi-
$35 omnye umuntu igrocery yakhe for the month.
yikho phela ngikutshoyo ukuthi
Do you get me?
wena uyakwazi ukuthi khathesi iposition okiyo ngeknowledge olayo lani uyakwanisa
damage.
ukuthi you can do damage and earn lots of money, but you chose an honest living. And
Umuntu bese
i-rotate
kutshontshele.
$35 yami
35 years.
I-35 yami.
matha yo.
Matha yo. Mina ngena ku Twitter wafaka umlabalaba.
Ah,
A
Jake,
big black
into le yasikaze nje siyikhangele, but mina I
No,
feel
I mean,
like it's a very serious issue. Jake.
It is, bro.
It's a very serious issue because Jake.
Because bangaki.
eZimbabwe bro singathi siyakhangela vele izinto ezingahambi sharp singathi iko case khona ke sikhuluma ngakho kube ngokuqala sikukhangela sharp, but cabanga ukuthi even la masithenga izinto bro ama-sensor ahamba on a daily basis la.
Jake,
Trade tax.
uyahluphana mina ngahluphana nomunye my sister bra. She's like ngangithenga
Ngikondisa.
Sure.
nge$5. And
Othengani
ibeer nge$5.
ibhiya bani $5.
Ngathenga ibeer nge$5 note. Listen to understand, not to argue.
Shout out Bruce.
Shout out Wendy Kabaila.
She had to be there. It's not like fear.
And so ngathenga nge$5 note. My change is supposed to be $3.50. And uCherwana ethi lapha mina ngile $1.50 ngiyokuthathe enye into ye $2.
Awu. Thathi beer yakho bro.
Lenye I understand
Take your beer
that.
back.
At least-
Hayi.
No,
Tamari.
Zwani ukuthi why ngisithi ngiya understand.
Town. To and from town.
Hear me out. Hear me out ukuthi why ngi understand. At least wakunika i-option yokuthi uthathe something. Right.
Bakufakele.
Anti wayithenga nge$50. Change yakho kumele ibe yi-350. Bese bekunika $3.05.
Hayi lezi logic lezi
Right.
ngezemsika kuma shop.
No.
Kuma-shop
La
abakuthuni.
La kuma shop zikho.
No,
Right.
no. Kuma-shop
Mana
there.
kushare ukuthi ama-shop bayenzani. E-shop bakutshela ukuthi i-rate yabo yi-R16. But wena nxa uthenga ngerand, i-rate yabo yi-20. So wena ungathenga
Hayi.
ngelokhu. Hear me out.
Ama-shops
Zwana.
No, but-
Angeke
but
ngiwaqambe
okunye-
ngebizo.
but okunye-
Ngizakutshela
but into engayitsho mina ukuvunga kukamali okuyelo kuzini kwe$2 is not political, imali ayithembile.
I know. I understand.
You know what?
Imali yami yamatamatisi.
Imali ayithembile.
Ile yamatamatisi.
Uthi ngithande $2 akwenzi.
Hayi,
Ngitshele
$2 no,
Machenzi.
guys.
Indaba yechange iyahlupha.
Yeah.
But ungabona zokuthiwa kulanda nginika ne$2 usutshontshela.
Yeah, because that's
Now
Isidlula
usutshontshela bro.
35 USD.
Usutshontshela.
akutshontshela I think is now on another. I think akutshontshela is a changing, guys.
Yikho phela.
Echange ibuhlungu. Yabona lana yokuthi okay, ungakwanisa yini. Ule option yokuthi ubisele or uthathe something else.
Sometimes yabukufuna khona
Angiyadi. But yazi ukutshontshela ngothini mcini. Akuchayela aqeda khiphele receipt akuqhubela i$5.
No,
Uyena kumele akuqhubele i9 rand or i10 rand.
Let me make you understand.
Abe
something.
sesithi i-rate yethu yi16.
Mana.
But nxa uthenga laphana i50 cents isithatha 10 rand. So sesikutshintshile
khona
khona.
lokho ukuthi idola yi20 rand but nxa uthenga yi5 rand but nxa uthola i-change yi2 rand
No,
but nxa
zwana
ukhambisa
phela.
18. Awu
Zwana
logic.
The reason why I said logic zona lezi ngezomsika and because ama-shops bona they use i-government rate ye-rand. Right now,
I'm a big shops. Alright, so uzayenza ngwaqambi ngebizwa ama-shop la
I'll give you
engayenzanga
an
lutho.
example, right? Oceans. When you go to Oceans and you buy something for 50 cents, bakuchincha, is it 7 or 8 rand? Bakuchincha 7 or 8 rand. Go back with that 7 or 8 rand, uzathenga something here 50 cents.
Mina manje this is what they did to me.
MCN,
Mina inge 50 cents go Oceans
e
eshop yena leyo eqambileyo mile. Eshop yena leyo eqambileyo mile.
Mina nini diphandana ama chance.
Oh, imali yahlala.
Ama-shop
khona
lawa
ama-shop ezinje
those are informal grocery stores. They are just going to ride with the wave. You understand? Kungathiwa hayi ku-dollar sesikutshintsha 5 rand. Then bona what they're wrong for is saying ukuthi product yabo it's 50 cents. It's not 50 cents, it's 10 rand. We understand ukuthi ngithini?
Yeah.
They should just
Which
say,
makes it about 70 cents.
Yes.
So when I
But
understand
that price is not regulated.
the price is not regulated. They are fluctuated, and most of the people that control usually narrative yokuthi rand selimenjani. Akuso wasiphathele naso anything amajita omchova. Trust me, amajita omchova engavuka bethi dollar seli 20 rand mawukade umchova.
I know.
10 rand
I
ukuthi
think
nge 10
ngaba
rand.
kumsiba because abemchova bacele
Msika.
naphana ngikwazi ukuthi kuphume njani.
Umsipha catching strays. Bro. He's watching the pod.
Hade baba umsipha.
Hard.
Nje umsipha isibongo.
I-IoT sithi kanti bro.
Ngoba mina umsipha engiwazi umsipha.
Yabo?
Wona wazupha umsipha wena.
Ikho nje i-IoT bro.
But back to that thing ikokesha tukhuluma ngayo. You can imagine ukuthi we only just generalized and we put it on average. And we said if at some point in time wonke umuntu oseZimbabwe akwadliwa idola yi-EcoCash, that means kule $30 million esemoyeni.
Ayikho emoyeni.
Eyibo.
Let's G-Wagon somewhere.
Kule chomi.
Kule chomi somewhere.
It is
Ewini tender.
Yabo?
Yenza ama deals.
So
That's what
imagine
I like
if that
to
has
do.
been, let's say
I like to give.
Yeah, what I
Every chance that I get.
I'm a philanthropist.
I'm a
You know,
philanthropist.
You give. And God gives you more.
It goes back to my point in that ngikhuluma ngayo lapha ukuthi ama-Zimbabweans have became so complacent in blaming the government for everything. We are failing to see ezinye izinto ezifani
Ezenzakala ku-private sector.
ezenzakala ku-private sector. Because we are just going to say, hayi urhulumente, hayi
So ngaba
urhulumente.
private sector part. The reason why it's called government is because you govern. Even the private
Regulator
sector.
phela
You must
la ucheck
regulate.
ukuthi
La ucheck.
Alright.
Dog yakhumbula ngesikhathi kulo kusa upresident wethu ezangumgama.
Gabe.
Yeah,
Shout out
bro.
my nigga Gabriel.
We used to
Yeah,
have
yeah.
press controls. Whenever this guy was touching down, whenever this guy would touch down Bulawayo, there was actual press controls. Things would go down. Into zazisehla. Excuse me.
Because waba lo passcode.
Yes, bro. That is an example of government doing its job. When government doesn't do its job, the private sector gets away with a lot of nonsense. Yeah, we're in sure. Kuba lula when kuba lula for businessmen to get away with money laundering when Zinara is not doing their job.
Okay.
You get me? So the government must do its job.
Amajita zethu tidisiteni.
Mdala chen. Uyabe sezwile ukuthi amajita aringa ngani.
Ibizo lami ngiyangutongesa emashikamanje.
Zwana, I understand that. Huru.
Yizi izinto esikhuluma ngazo zona lezi.
Remember no, I have a feeling ukuthi ngaba na umphangi imali le and ade zayenza la.
Uyaphuma la mama yiki.
That is ayenzakala la.
Ifuna chepas.
Alright.
Zwana ukhala thina la.
Zwana.
Undla imali ya?
Angilayo bro.
I understand.
Ula imali ya?
Angilayo mina.
Wena chingeli $2.
Asindebele lifunction njani nje. Mana ngibe ngifaya ku display la. Nganteleli mina.
Hayi kwani.
Asi nje kuphela singadelelani.
Ngicela le ko ibambe isandla
No,
sokwehle.
Mila. I'm just hoping awula squelete zomuntu.
Namayi budget.
Imali yami.
Mina manje ngiyathanda mina ukuthi ngibambe imali. Ngibala bale.
Yeah.
Yabona into obuyikhuluma lana kathesi manje.
Into le economy.
$10 yani.
Umelo.
Oh shit, ikhona lapha ayikhululeke.
Yile nembi lana.
So usukhulumela phezulu mntana anti bengisaflexa ngayo.
Haya, ngiyasalela.
Maningi.
Siyakhathi
Ku process into le.
Nona mbuthela amalini kathi.
Madola. Imali yokugada. Kanhlini liphila kanhlini kan. Lenzani kanhlini?
eZimbabwe sikhala into esikhala ngamali into 35 USD. Into abolaka lo lana $35 USD.
Kumele besenzani bangabangani bethu?
But uthi ungabhekere sikuthiwani ngayo, what's happening?
They're never catching that guy. I doubt that they're going to catch that guy. Bengisakhuluma ngendaba ye cyber security ukuthi this is when you see ukuthi eCocash i-team ye cyber security ithe ibona ukuthi ihackiwe wabona engane ukuthi i-password kuza nceda.
Ngabantu abaholayo
ngumuntu olesalary uthe ibona ukuthi i-entity yethu i-Ecocash inkampani enkulu ithe izihackiwe bathi boys do it as
change password.
And bachiji password kangaka.
And no one had a brilliant idea to just shut down the system for a minute.
Dog.
Close the account
temporarily. Not even, and it's the simplest IT logos. Light. Whenever they doesn't make sense, bro.
People were fired.
That's gross incompetence. Someone has to be fired, dog.
I'm pretty sure
not someone, a department, bro.
Yeah, dog. HOD, I think he got
they should actually hire that guy.
Because everyone,
yes,
they should hire
that's
that
the guy you hire because he knows the
government.
My guy, this is Zimbabwe. I'm high. I'm trapped.
No, but honestly, if you are smart, that's the person you hire because he knows. Uguti go hekwa so. So I'm daddy system lay when zenja. No. So right. This is
a perfect world, right?
It's not a perfect world. This is a world that makes sense.
Yeah. When you coach a team, team edlala against yona umuntu abuyahlohla i-trick angekufuna ukuthi abuye teamini yakho.
Do you know you guys know Chomotang Snowden?
No. I don't know that nigga.
I was sharing a context.
Snowden was an American.
When episode got Breezy
was an American IT specialist. So he designed a software for the CIA that let them spy on people using AMA cameras, AMA devices, even when they are off. So if run camera unje, so babe chile be check in.
I think
yeah, we are Peter. You can look him up.
I saw you in the series guy etong Scorpion. Lana wayenza i-software deliver ama 8 packages to soldiers babe beyisebenzisa kulokhu ukudeliver i-payload.
So now
doesn't mina ngicabanga likhuluma all this izikhona ezishayidlwabi bezikhangile.
Yeah, that was actually the case. So he thought what he was doing it for the goal was national security. And he thought they were going to be spying on specific targets and like let's say we were spying on the Taliban or Al Qaeda. While there in Afghanistan, we can see where they are. Then we can send drones, be it drones or troops or whatsoever. And then he discovered what they are spying on every single American
for data.
And then he blew the whistle.
But you know what?
Everyone,
it's still
guys,
it's still like that.
This is what this guy is doing. This is what these guys are doing. APC and they wanted to arrest him, so he stays in Russia now. That's where he got asylum.
But you know what? I still think those systems are live.
Yeah, but Uchomlo, that's our version of Snowden.
Our systems now are still going on, and I'll tell you why. I think if only have you ever said, "Dog, I'm hungry, bro. Like I need to eat," and maybe you open your IG, and the first ad you see is for like chicken in.
The
mere fact that when iPhone yakho hey Siri, it means they're just listening the entire time.
But sometimes
listening. Hey Siri.
In the messed up sometimes yaphonga uthutsha kuphela.
Akuphonga uthutsha kuphela mcimbi.
Akuphomba ukuthutsha lo kela nje.
No.
Mina algorithm nami litshengisa sound
example. Awuyithanda. But uyakuthi uxabane le cherry yakho. Anti uthi uxabane le cherry yakho. And then you open your TikTok, and all the content you're seeing is like entertainment.
Or when you're talking to your ex, and all the content you see is about talking to your ex.
Going back to your ex.
Going back to your ex.
No.
Ex is that.
Sometimes lokhu sebengakuthola ngama-charts se maybe babonile ngixabana le-ex but kulamanye ama-situation bro ukuthi kuyabe kuyithotho kuyinto wangkhona nje
It's just a thought and you don't even say it out loud, but you're going to come across it.
So uphumeni
ngithi ngingena ku-social media into ade ngicabanga ngayo ngiyibona ikhona
kibuloyi
Are you saying they're spying on your thoughts?
Neuralink
Satan.
kibuloyi Neuralink
So, Yabona, the reason why I was saying this guy is our version of Usnote
that's what pizza
is because he exposed something deeper that people are not having conversations about.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
understand.
yabona nani ismo hey ama
What
citizens
is-
eZimbabwe ngomgcini vela silandawa.
What steps do you take or what procedure do you follow when you want to hold Econet accountable for something like that? Because if they are going to hold your money for more than 5
it's probably
days,
too expensive for the average Zimbabwean anyway.
yeah, you go like how
I'm not
do you
going to
go
hire
about it?
a lawyer Ole Bilepu ye $200 an hour from $35.
Wasi le loyal ngkhona hey.
Yeah, I understand. So
Zimbabwe is stress.
how then do we hold these guys accountable for any of the shit that they do? They get
Because
away
the
with
right
it.
procedure a reserve bank
Yeah.
for eco cash.
But uzongena njani reserve bank kulabo choma bathola ama AK phandle.
Sukala.
Do you get me?
Mira
dog?
ngale, mira ngale,
Some
mira-
of these systems like and at the end of the
So-
day these people are supposed to be the civil servants. You understand? You are the civilian, but umuntu ndodumi uthwele AK. You can't ask for help. Khayela umuntu ethwele AK dog. Umbhobho ipistol. Hey baba, umuntu ndoda abethwele iAK ibe yi2 bemi. Approach njani umuntu onjalo?
Because it's like ngobuza something. If 500 megabytes kumele kulast how long?
Ah boy, that one forget.
Data kumele kulast. I'm asking.
Yakwazi kuleyo enye into abusujayele slow internet. Then i500 megabytes
Ukuthi vele ama-
ungazuza fast internet
Ama
mfana.
calculations zethu sengabe skewed.
Do you know why I asked that question? It's only Econet that has that measurement. Do you get what I'm saying? So, uthi i-message ingenile ithe 500 megabytes. For all you know,
It just
kungene
could be
100
20, bro.
megabytes. Yeah.
It could be 20.
And
He's
when
right.
I ukuprove futhi.
Yikho mina ngikutsho ukuthi you can't prove it. Then there's no system in place to stand up and hold these institutions account. I swear to God, I'm not the only person I saw wajusa Jegi. 8 gig. Yeah, phela kusasa.
What you mean
Ah
you
no.
pay?
Too many people.
Yaphela.
That's why I know.
Yeah, phela
It's too long.
I am not the
But
only.
gents,
I know
you are
I'm not the
You're
only
not.
person.
Indlela, there has to be some sort of accountability as to where your money goes. But unfortunately, my love,
Ufone Econet nje emergency
ngeshwa nkabi yami. uzadala
ayizolo
utriple one ilanga
Qale
lonke.
baku annoy mbijana bengadongi.
They were playing the
Bazokushaya.
music ka Praiser involuntarily.
Tonga kwakho.
Now I'm
Our
just there.
technical support team is
Yes.
currently busy. Please keep holding.
I hate that shit, dog.
Man.
Yikho engikutsho ukuthi i-service delivery eZimbabwe. Yazi ukuthi the other problem is Zimbabwe gives you enough problems for you not to worry about these things. I can't stay the whole day ngimelele ukuthi i-technical support team ye-ecocash ibambe ifoni. Mina manje ngiyodinga imali yani yamatamatisi. Do you get me? You have enough problems. So much so ukuthi you feel like inkinga ye-500 megabytes is so minuscule. It's not. It's your money, right? But you look at the grander scheme of things, and this is why someone was saying, nah, Zimbabweans, why linga toy toy? And I was saying, no. Inkinga zethu are so hectic, no one has the time to toy toy. Because you know, if you spend the whole day toy toying, yalalulambile.
Now, sunlendele. Now some understand guy
Call me pilot.
I've got all the resources to do all the effed up shit.
Now you can say it.
But I chose an honest living. Lanta tell it $35 yami.
So fuck you.
Now let me show you. Ang toy toy mean. Nyangena account.
So icho mliana.
Asaze sayiqubo ngolicho mina.
Hayi icho mliana what's that guy who steals from the rich gives the poor?
Robin Hood.
Yeah, saying Robin Hood. Because
Yabona-
let me tell you, akula mntu othe when he post clear, I say, ew, this is disgusting. Everyone saw that shit and went,
Yeah.
what's that? No, people saw that shit and went, yeah, type shit.
The reason why mina ngikhaleli accountability and there's just so much going on. Do you get it? And it's unfortunate that we just can't prove it or name any names, but it's happening. And like I was saying, I'm not playing a government advocate or anything, but I'm saying there's a lot of corruption that happens outside the sphere of the government. That's happening.
It can't happen outside the sphere of the government.
Trust me. What does the government have to do with ukuthi wena uhambe wadinga indawo yenursing? Ngale bafika bakutshela kwathiwa kula ndawo you have to tease $1,000 ukuthi ungena. This is absolutely independent of the government. It's those people that are corrupt. Bona ngokwabo.
But then why
manje
ugavenani?
No. But lawo kulama ethics
yes, institution yakho nguyayo.
Osebenza
But
ngawo.
engutshoyo is at the end of the day, if your job is to govern, you can't then say, yeah, I govern, but me.
Zwana check. A government operates within the premise of a constitution.
Yes.
And lawfully. Right now, so we're going, no. We are just putting what is supposed to happen out there, auntie. So right now, internally, it's almost general knowledge. When you go and apply for indawo nursing, they're going to tell you we know when you go a VIT, by far, by force, license awuyitholi uma ungakhiphangi $200.
So like keep manje.
So we are 200.
It's not a fixed charge, phela check. It's unofficial.
Kuya ngokuthi wena uthole.
Kubuya ukuthi wena instructor wakho
uyele direli njani.
Everyone knows that these things are happening. Everyone knows that these things are happening.
This is common knowledge.
It's common knowledge, but we've never seen anyone taking it a step further.
That's why
and trust me, when you're fighting, I don't want to tease a VIT. You're not fighting against the government. It's those officials at the VIT center that are the ones that are being corrupt. You can't tell me all of them are sitting there and they don't know what's happening.
I feel like
they're chowing.
The situation in Zimbabwe is so messed up. I don't think even a change of governance at this point can solve
that's
you don't need a change of governance. You need a change of systems.
Like 90% of Zimbabweans sonke sesayenza something, be it petty or big, engasihambise ejele for at least a year.
You know,
if you ask me about corruption in Zimbabwe, if you ask me, if you ask me about corruption in Zimbabwe, I'll say, the government is not corrupt. Zimbabweans are corrupt.
Within the governance of the Zimbabwean government.
Be it government. I'm saying Zimbabweans are corrupt. Because, check. I-license kumele kufana le-ID bra.
Okay, man.
The passport.
The passport.
So passport.
I'm 120 boys. I think a passport is
pricing system yabantu. When a passport office kade uzafika uphiwa number 59. And
number 89.
Number 89 will find the right guy to pay, they'll cut the line. Some even get the passports bengekho khona pha. Sefonela passport yakhe si right. Do you understand? These are things that are existing without government influence. When we are talking about government corruption, most of the stuff that we should be talking about, we're going to talk about is minerals and taxpayers.
You know what I'm saying, Milo? I'm not saying these things are government influence. I'm saying these things are a result of government negligence.
Aye.
That's what I'm saying.
Aye.
If your government is negligent,
this
is what happens. You understand? When a talk, it becomes a life of its own.
Focus on umsebenzi without mentioning any names or any government of any country. Lapha sikhuluma, for example, maybe Guatemala. The reason why government in Guatemala ingayenzi umsebenzi wakhe is because it's so focused on ukwenza ama extracurricular activities.
Okay, I'll give you an example of if on Ngizwe, right? If we have Ngizwe here in Bulawayo who wants to do the whole Tutula, for example, right? Who wants to do the whole Tutula here, it's not going to work. They're going to charge you with disturbing the peace. They're going to charge you with instigating violence.
Before they charge you, they're going to trap you, my friend.
You get me? But the reason why that thing is happening in South Africa is because of the negligence of the government. The government is letting it happen. And that's why it's now happening. So much so, it now seems to be normal.
But I was fitting into with this whole conversation is akola mntu ophikisa omunye la.
Siyavumelana.
Like siyavumelana.
Sivumelana in different directions.
Ekuvumelaneni kwethu ukhona le voice elomsindo udlile omunye yabo.
So kucina kusongani nguyo right.
Nguyo right.
Lizama ukuthini ngabe.
Mina I'm just saying ukuthi when government and governance is negligent, yizi izinto ezenzakalayo in whatever government, in whatever sector.
You said negligent.
Negligent. Angisho, that's what happens naturally because in any sector machance sesingakhuluma konke but uNkulunkulu welizwe igovernment yalo.
Milo, kulombuzo la.
Baba.
What is the measure of corruption in Zimbabwe?
Nigga Mike.
What is the measure of
I
corruption?
have no idea, but I know.
But you know
Measure of
corruption when you
corruption,
see
right?
it, bro.
You cover it.
The measure of corruption is lawlessness. That is the first measure of corruption. So what happens is the countries that are most corrupt bakhangela entities like law enforcement. In Zimbabwe we've got police, right? Those are the most corrupt people. So we cannot say ukuthi entities anjengawe health, like you're mentioning, VID, they are all corrupt when you've never tried to report corruption and then the law took its course.
Because the people that deal, the anti-corruption
That's
themselves.
what I'm saying. The law enforcement, that is the measure of corruption.
And who governs the law enforcement? Government itself.
My chance, conversation in this serious. I'm feeling with
Asikaze sibe serious so like.
Milo.
Milo, let's talk about wakhuluma ngokuthweka la.
Kuthi manje thina sesikhona sifuna serious.
Kuba serious. Thethisa umuntu Milo.
Kwakuyikho kwakuyi-focal point at the time.
Khuluma inhlamba.
Milo dog.
Khuluma inhlamba or something.
Yeah, no, grand. Hayi ngoba hayi.
Uyakwazi uPutasena he says that's the measure of corruption and of which I understand. Ukuthi it's the level of lawlessness. Our level of lawlessness, for me, I think it's as a result of people that have convinced themselves ukuthi in order for you to survive in a place like Zimbabwe, you need to be corrupt.
No, that's just a survival tactic.
Ngama circumstance.
Lapha sengisurvivor la.
So
Yeah,
it's
when
justified.
90% ebengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi ivelela ngayo.
So it's justified. It's justified when it's people that are doing it, and we're just gonna say it's a means to an end. When it's people doing it,
No, it's not when people.
it's corruption. Guys.
No, it's not when people are doing it. It's when you are doing it.
Even if people are at war and there's mass murder, murder is still murder. It can't be justified
You know what I'm
because
saying?
a lot of
Milo?
people are doing it.
I feel like when Milo, energy yakho uzayidivert like to your normal citizen, uthi abantu vele already bona ba corrupt because you know ukuthi thina we cannot do anything to you. You know ukuthi la ngale kuyilahla but obviously sasoke sibe budget.
Budget, nayi.
No, I know ukuthi ngale kuyayilahla.
Why manje?
Why thina senze?
Because
I'm not Zwana.
sifele ukuthi thina
Yatsabhadela ama license.
Like I said,
Say 150
you guys are not understanding me, and I'm saying we are not in a position to complain about corruption because we are corrupt ourselves. I asked you guys a question and you pondered around it. What does the government have to do with you going to apply
No,
for a
it's not
nursing
even
job?
pondering, bro. The fact that you are asking something about the government, clearly you know
shows
ukuthi-
that the
like,
government should be involved.
Plus Nakona, the government that you're asking about, bro. Let's not be.
Don't put me into Zwana. Zwana,
Don't cut this. I want you to understand.
Yeah.
Now.
Let me tell you
You're
something.
pulling a price.
Let me tell you something. Shout out Price. He's been cooking this thing. It's been 30 minutes. This boy has been waiting to say this. Uthe kwenza njani?
Mana, bro.
Eh.
Like yabona, the fact that the government obuza ngayo wena. Uyayazi ukuthi akwenzi vela sonke sikuphendule. Because imbuzo, it's not like ama answers are slow. Everyone has the answer, even the person watching this podcast right now.
Will tell
all the
you.
questions that you're asking, bro. Like ama answers are khona. But siyasaba, bro, with this answer my questions on allow. Because there was ama repercussions that comes with locals and holding them accountable. So you are going to easy target
Survive.
simbani.
Him.
Umonji o 35 USD. Monji la corrupt vele wena because ngeke ukhale ngegovernment.
Yakwazi ukuthi
Wena la
i-corruption
corrupt.
ye-average citizen is to survive, bro. You know you need a license.
Government
Because
ngiyani
it
corruption.
is-
I think mina lingizwanga vele ukuthi ngithini because my stance here is I'm pro government.
This guy is saying, let me tell you what this
I
guy
think
is saying.
maybe I didn't
This guy is
see
saying
it.
the
Aye,
private
I
sector is
was-
getting away with a lot of corruption.
Uthi
Utina is pro
is
government.
pro government.
Yes.
We're saying
I
we have to
believe
hold the
Zwana.
government
I strongly believe and ukuthi
mfana uyaphiwa 10
Uthunyiwe.
Afana tender andaphiwa.
Uyaphiwa 10
Understand this. Because you're general Zimbabwean, and because of lack of travel, because of lack of exposure, there's a lot of things that we have, that we enjoy, that we don't see. So sikhala because thina sihlezi la. It goes back to what I was telling you. What Africa really needs dictators, like the ones that we have. People that are going to come to you and tell you what to do and how to do it. Kadesi ungabona umuntu engakhipha umbhobho awubeke lapha wena kadesi. Umbhobho. Do you understand?
Yeah.
And in SA, people can just shoot a nigga in broad daylight.
Lo kena ikwekelelo loka.
Yiko phela.
Lo kena
And then when I'm
ikwekelelo.
also sithi umuntu uyekelelwe. Then it serves to prove my point ukuthi we need a firm hand on governance. And of course, there's things like looting and all of that.
So
we can
sivumelana la phela Mau City we need a firm hand on but they have to take in accountability on flopping on their end. That's what you're saying.
Uyakwazi ukuthi it goes back to what Putas was saying ukuthi no one really ever reports corruption so that the law takes its course.
But my
The
reason,
reason- the existence for such platforms, and
if you trust me and give me that opportunity, I will not let you down.
But
Do you know what, mina I won't lie.
No.
Angisoze ngiqamba amanga mina. Liyakwazi ukuthi kulama instances where the law does take its course. I'm not saying this is always, but I'm saying it depends on the scale of your problem. Do you get me? Kulezinye izinto where you know ukuthi no, hamba nyo reporter, the law will take its course. Then kulezinye izinto where
Bawukhangela lawo.
doke rarasika blast.
Unababona.
So it's all very relative. Ukuthi that's the problem with these into is they're very relative and they're based off of a perspective kakhulu.
Yeah.
But when ngokusebenzelayo i-connection.
But
when
I'm
in
really
actual fact, i-corruption.
But I'm really enjoying this episode. As abantu abanjengoMilo labo Brezi so bawucabangisa but at the same time right ukuthi ubalalele wena bakhuluma kwenze ukuthi lamapholisa amayisebenzi ezobadinga.
Mina ngifuna kube lo Breezy, uMilo lo Mafoti.
No. Lalela Chi, lalela. President City, here's the problem.
Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker